Good news, it's a snow day. Beautiful, beautiful snow day. You know what that means. I'm about to go out and go make some money. The goal today, I'll tell you the goal once we get in the car. So, the goal is to first make $100. How we're gonna do that, we are only picking up orders that is paying at least $10. Since the weather is hell, it's not good outside, everything is in high demand, it should be easier to get high paying orders. If it's not paying $10 under 10 miles, we not doing it. So once we do those, we're gonna come back home and probably shovel the snow. Yeah. So you guys can see how the roads are. It's all fresh snow. So it's bad, but it's not too bad. We're gonna see how it looks once we get to the main road. And main thing is just worry about everybody else driving. I can drive good. The question is how everybody else driving will be. Take our time and we good. All right, so we got my first order at China City. It is paying $18, going 11 miles, and it's 2 orders. So if you divide it, they're paying $9 each. That is close to my $10. And to start off with basically $20, it's not a bad thing. That just means I need 8 more. So let's go get it. All right, so I just dropped off those 2 orders. What I'm doing now, because the roads are so bad outside, it's taking double the time it would usually take to get somewhere. I'm getting even more pickier with the orders because I just had one $11 paying $11 going 11 miles. Sometimes I possibly would take it, but it's basically like going 20 miles. So I'm looking for something $10 going 3 miles. So only the big tippers is going to get their food delivered from me today. Let's see the next one we get. All right, we just picked up our 3rd order. It is some McDonald's. It was paying $11 going, I believe, 7 miles. It's a good one because I didn't have to get out the car to go in the restaurant and get it. The line was wide open. I just pulled up, gave me the bag. Good stuff, good deal. So we in about an hour and a half, and we're going to be at $30. So it looked like we're averaging $20 an hour, which is not bad, but it can get better. We can get better. We just got a big order, but it's a shop and pay. It is a Myers order, paying like $23 going like 7 miles. The catcher or the kicker with these are you kind of have to know Myers or whatever store you're doing. My rule of thumb is as long as it's under 10 items, and since I do Shipt shopping, I'm familiar with Myers, so it's not hard for me. But the average person, you're not going to know what anything is at. So if you're familiar with shopping, it's worth it. And the way I look at it is, let's say if it take me 1 hour, it's still over $20-something an hour, and it shouldn't take me that long. And I wanted to go to Myers to find a sled for like a little sleigh for my son so I can pull him around so we can use that money to sleigh. We'll see how that. What I'm doing is looking at the 8 items so I can start pre-planning in my mind on where I'm going in the store, where I'm going to go first. And these 8 items are easy as hell. I can't even hold you up. Come on, go over. So what I'm doing right now is pre-planning the trip, looking at the 8 items and seeing exactly which items they are so I can go in the store efficiently, grab what I need to grab, and get out of there as quickly as possible. And these are 8 items. Sometimes it's 1 item all over the store. They got a lot of frozen section stuff. Simple, look like they're trying to make like some nachos or tacos or something like that. So hopefully I'm in and out of there. All right, y'all, so we got the 8 items. They had every single item besides this. I told her, I'm like, look, I'm substituting it. She was like, cool. And we go. This is what I'm talking about. I have to go deliver it all the way back there. And it's literally all fresh snow. What I'm talking about. Let me show y'all. All the way up there. It's so bad, KFC didn't have no holders. So it's 3 drinks, a bag, and I don't want to do this twice. So I'm about to figure it out. Yep, I almost fell backwards going down the stairs. Slipped. Like I said, putting your life in danger to deliver food. All right, here go a nice update. We just delivered, oh shit, don't want to do that. We just delivered another one. It was a KFC pan, $11 going like 8 miles. So that order put us at over $60. And now I have a Panera bread paying $10 going 4 or 3 miles. And that will put us at $70. And we only need 3 more for 100. Can't complain. Let's get it. I did almost make a big mistake at Myers. Well, I did make a mistake. But I was on the phone. It took like 30 minutes. Only reason it took long, I was on the phone and just not paying attention, looking for the sled for the kids, just messing around. And then I had to text her to see if she wanted what they didn't have. But I'm on my wife, so when it come down to checking out, take a lucky guess who used his debit card instead of UberEats debit card. First time I ever did that out of like 100 orders I did. And I'm like, dang, what do I do? So the good thing is, if this ever happened to you, when they ask you, do you have your card? I always say yes, because I always have it. You just click no, and it's going to say, if you pay for it yourself, take a picture of the receipt and we'll send you a refund. So if you don't have your card, you can pay for it, front the money, and they'll pay you back later. Smart thing to know. Trying to do a quick video. Overall, I'm keep on getting orders absolutely non-stop. Like literally, I can't move without getting an order. I tried to record this video 4 times and orders keep on coming in. But I just did 3 orders at once. It kept on giving me some. So I'm well over $100. It is, what's the time? It's 7:10. I started at 2:30. So if we do 2:30 to 7:30, let's say I've been out here for 5 hours, which I've been under. But let's say if I've been out here for 5 hours and I made $100 even. That's $20 an hour coming out today. But it's getting better. Gonna keep it going. This is how you do everything. And here come another order. Hit the like and subscribe button. So I'm editing the video and I end up staying out because orders was coming freaking non-stop last night. Like every 2 seconds I touch my phone, I was able to just nope. Ooh, this one good. So yesterday alone, I ended up making $171 just with Uber Eats, and I think off Grubhub like $30. So I did do over $200 yesterday. Good day. Take advantage of the snow.